video, I'm going to teach you how to delete watermark on Canva Pro. We're focusing on the Magic Eraser, a simple, built-in tool that lets you remove watermarks from existing images or elements in your design right inside Canva. No extra software required. Start by opening your design and clicking the image that contains the watermark. You'll know it's selected when you see the bounding box around it. With the image highlighted, look to the top toolbar and choose Edit Photo, sometimes shown as Edit Image depending on your view. This opens Canva's editing panel with all the tools you need. In that panel, locate Magic Studio, then choose Magic Eraser. If you don't see it right away, scroll the panel it's grouped with Canva's AI tools. Once Magic Eraser is open, you'll see a brush with a size slider. Before painting, it helps to zoom in on the watermark so you can be precise. You can use the zoom control in the corner of your workspace to get a closer look and make sure you're only covering what you want to remove. Adjust the brush size so it's slightly larger than the watermark's thickness. A brush that's too big can grab nearby edges you may want to keep. Too small can make the process slow and patchy. Now, paint over the watermark. Use steady, deliberate strokes and try to follow the shape of the mark. As you paint, Canva's AI analyzes the surrounding pixels and blends the area to match the background, effectively erasing the text or logo without leaving harsh seams. Give the tool a moment to process after each stroke. If you notice smudging or it pulls in part of the image you didn't intend to touch, simply undo and reduce the brush size, then try again with shorter strokes. On busy or textured backgrounds, working in small passes can produce a cleaner blend. If faint remnants remain, go over those spots once more, keeping your brush just within the area of the watermark. When the blending completes, review the edges. A quick final sweep with a smaller brush can tidy up any leftover artifacts. Don't rush this part. Subtle, careful strokes usually yield the most natural finish. If you ever want to compare before and after, you can toggle out of the tool and back in your edit. Stay on the image. That's it, thanks for watching.